There we go, baby. Big Papa's competition stash, max smoked cauliflower. Kids, we're gonna roast and smoke a head of cauliflower in the Mac grill at 350. It's so simple. Here's a beautiful head of cauliflower. So we're gonna come in here and just kind of clean up this stuff right here. So we want to make it so where we still have a stand. You know, we'll use the stalk as a stand. We'll get rid of all these leaves underneath because we aren't gonna eat those. It's so simple from here. We're gonna use a baggie. This is a 1 gallon baggie. We're using avocado oil because it's got a high smoke point and burn point. Great flavor. We're using BPS Stash, competition stash, but please use it at home too. So we're using Stash avocado oil, and the secret weapon here is ghee. Now ghee is clarified butter, okay? And what it does is it takes the solids out of the butter and it makes it so where it's also a higher burn point and a higher smoke point, which is great when you're cooking at 350 like we are, or on the griddle. So I'm using ghee a lot these days because it gives me the oil I want, but some butter flavor. Now what we're gonna do first, we're gonna boil it. Just parboil for 5 minutes because we're gonna soften it and that'll speed up your smoking time. So let's go over and boil, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how to make it work from here. Okay, boiling water. Face down. Cauliflower, make sure you get it in there. We're gonna go for 5-6 minutes. So we'll see in about 5 minutes on this deal. It'll seem like seconds. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let's lift this out of here. It's almost like I know what I'm doing. Shaking some of the water out. There we go. Okay, I don't know if you can see the steam. It's not special effects. Let's hit the bottom side and try and get in those nooks and crannies, the stash. Let's drizzle some ghee, shake it up in there. You can make your own ghee, which is also compound butter. You just kind of heat it up, and as the milk solids get there, you strain it off, and there you have it. And you still retain a lot of the flavor. We're gonna hit it with just a little bit of avocado oil here. Now let's kind of repeat the exercise. Just perfect. A little touch up. I'll see you by the smoker. Probably about 20 minutes on the smoker, and it should be just gorgeous. Gonna have our roasted cauliflower, smoked cauliflower, in the Mac 2-star. Here on the shelf. Watch this little trick. See in about 20-25 minutes. 25 minutes. Watch these hands. Woo. See you inside. Okay, here we go. Here's our beautiful cauliflower. And it is beautiful. Take this ghee. Okay. There we go, baby. Big Papa's competition stash, max smoked cauliflower. Just give it a little finishing dust. Thank you, kids. Thank you.